Today I have brought some special numerical problems from chapter electricity. So let us now try to understand how to solve the sums. In question number 1, when a particle of charge 10 microcoulomb is brought from infinity to a point P, 2 millijoule of work is done by the external forces. What is the potential at P? So in question number 1, you can use W equal to QV. In question 2, calculate the work done in taking a charge of 0.02 coulomb from A to B if the potential at A is 20 volt and that at B is 30 volt. In question 2, you can use W equal to Q into VB minus VA. In question 3, how much charge flows through a wire in 10 minutes if the current through it is 2.5 ampere? You can use Q equal to IT, but take the time in second. Here it is given in minute. So when you will use the formula Q equal to IT, then take time in second. Question number 4. A 2 volt cell is connected to a 1 ohm resistor. How many electrons come out of the negative terminal of the cell in 2 minutes? In question 4, find the current. Then Q equal to IT. Then use Q equal to NE. Then finally you find the number of electrons, N equal to Q by E. In question 5, the amount of charge passing through a cell in 4 seconds is 12 coulomb. What is the current supplied by the cell? So current supplied by the cell will be I equal to Q by T. Question number 6. A 6 volt battery is connected across 5 ohm resistor. Calculate the current passing through the resistor. In question 6, use I equal to V by R. Question number 7. When a 24 volt battery is connected to a resistor, the current in it is 0.4 ampere. What is the resistance of the resistor? What would be the current through it when it is connected to a battery of 6 volt? Here you can use R equal to V by I and then I equal to V by R. In question number 8, a bulb is rated 40 watt 220 volt. Find the current drawn by it when it is connected to 220 volt supply. Use P equal to VI. In question 9, the resistivity of copper is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. What length of copper wire of diameter 0.1 mm will have a resistance of 34 ohm? And in B, another copper wire of same length but of half the diameter as the first is taken. What is the ratio of its resistance to that of the first wire? So here in question 9 you can use R equal to rho L by A. Question number 10. 3 resistors, each of resistance 12 ohm, are connected in parallel. What is the equivalent resistance? So in 10 you can use Rp equal to R by 3. In question number 11, a uniform wire of resistance R is cut into 2 equal parts and each part is joined in parallel. What is the resistance of the combination? Question 11. First of all, you use resistance of each part, that is R by 2. Then you use Rp equal to R by 2 by 2. So it is R by 4. Question 12. You have 3 resistors of 9 ohm each. By combining them, what can be the highest resistance and the lowest resistance? And in C, how can you combine them to get a resistance of 12 ohm? So in question number 12, to find the highest value of resistance, connect them in series. In B, for lowest resistance, connect them in parallel. And in C, to get 12 ohm, connect 2 resistors of 9 ohm in parallel and then connect 9 ohm in series with this combination. Question 13. How will you join the resistors of resistances 3 ohm, 6 ohm and 8 ohm to get an equivalent resistance of 10 ohm? Here you can connect 8 ohm in series with combination of 3 ohm and 6 ohm in parallel. Now in question number 14, find the current through the circuit shown in the figure. Also find the potential difference across 20 ohm. In 14, you can use I equal to V by R, then use V equal to IR across 20 ohm. In question number 15, find the equivalent resistance. Number B, the current passing through the cell, and C, current passing through the 30 ohm resistors in the circuit shown in the figure. So in question number 15, first of all you find the equivalent resistance of two resistors connected in parallel, which is 10 ohm. Then use I equal to V by R. Now current through 30 ohm is 15 by 45 into total current in the circuit. Now question number 16. Calculate the current passing through a bulb rated 60 watt to 40 volt when it is connected to a 240 volt power supply. Here you can use I equal to P by V. Question 17. Two resistors of resistances 10 ohm and 20 ohm are joined in series. A potential difference of 12 volt is applied across the combination. Find the power consumed by each resistor. Here you can use I equal to V by R, then use P equal to I square R. Question 18. Two resistors of resistances 10 ohm and 20 ohm are joined in parallel. A potential difference of 12 volt is applied across the combination. Find the power consumed by each resistor. Here you can use P equal to V by R. Question 19. Calculate the energy consumed in kilowatt hours by 60 watt fan in 2 hours. So in question number 19, you can use E equal to power into time. Take power in kilowatt. Okay. Question 20. A heater draws 1100 watt at 220 volt. Number A. Find the resistance of the heater when in on condition. Number B. Calculate the kilowatt hour consumed in a week if the heater is used daily for 4 hours at the rated voltage. Question number 20. First of all, use the formula P equal to V by R. Then use E equal to power into time into 7. That is, there are 7 days in a week and it is used for 4 hours. So T equal to 4 hours. Now you will be able to solve it. Okay. Question 21. A bulb used in a car is rated 12 volt 48 watt. Find the energy consumed in 1 minute when the bulb is connected to a 12 volt battery and B a 6 volt battery. Here you can use E equal to power into time. Take time in hour and power in kilowatt. Okay. In question number 22, a 12 volt battery is connected to a bulb, drives a current of 2 ampere through it. Find the energy supplied by the battery in 10 minutes. Use P equal to VI, then use E equal to power into time. Take time in hour. Question 23. A current of 1.5 ampere flows through a wire of 8 ohm. Find the amount of heat produced in 10 seconds. Use H equal to I square RT. Question 24. A current of 2 ampere produces 200 joule of heat in a wire in given period of time. If the current is increased to 4 ampere, how much heat will be produced in the same time? Use H equal to I square RT, then take the ratio H1 by H2. Question 25. A bulb is rated 5 volt 100 milliampere. Calculate its rated power and resistance. P equal to VI, then use P equal to V square by R. Question 26. Calculate the resistance of a bulb rated 40 watt to 30 volt when in on condition. Use P equal to V square by R. Okay. You can find the value of resistance by given data 40 watt and 220 volt. Okay. So you will have to find the resistance. P equal to V square by R and R equal to V square by P. V is given, P is also given. Question number 27. Figure shows a part of an electric circuit The reading of the ammeter is 3 ampere. Find the current through the 10 ohm and 20 ohm resistor. So here current through 10 ohm resistor is 2 ampere and current through 20 ohm resistor is 1 ampere. It is based on division of currents in parallel circuit for two resistors connected in series. Thank you very much.